Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the account and permissions so the app can access custody settings. Sign in, confirm email or phone, and go directly to Settings Privacy Personal Custody. Once there, inspect current custody state and linked profiles to understand what needs change. Make sure to enable any required permissions like storage or camera because the app may need them to verify identity. If a secondary account is linked, note it now. This reduces mistakes later when you change custody records and transfer ownership inside the app. Now you adjust the actual custody details step by step. Tap Edit, choose which linked profile will hold personal custody, and update contact and verification documents to match legal records. Because the app enforces consistency, enter custody start and end dates clearly, and explain any special conditions in the Notes field. Once done, press Save and then Verify to initiate the confirmation workflow. This sends notifications to affected accounts. Make sure to watch for in-app prompts. Rejecting a prompt can cancel the change and force a restart. Finish by confirming approvals and archiving the prior custody snapshot so you have a rollback point. Once all parties accept, review the audit log to verify successful updates and note any error codes. If a change remains pending, resend verification and prompt participants to check notifications. If you encounter a freeze or mismatched data, clear the app cache, sign out and sign back in, then retry. If that fails, contact in-app support and provide the error ID from the audit log. They can complete or reverse the custody update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.